Imagine a robot hand that doesn't just sit at the end of a mechanical arm, waiting to be useful. It literally gets bored, drops off, walks away, does the job itself, and comes back. That's basically what researchers at EPFL in Lausanne, working together with MIT, have created. This isn't just another lab prototype either. It's a completely different way of thinking about how robots interact with the world. The team built two versions of the device, one with 5 fingers and another with 6. Both have a large, rounded palm about 16 centimeters across. And here's the really interesting part. The fingers are arranged in a full circle around the palm. So from almost any angle, the hand looks the same. Each finger bends forward and backward, giving it a range of motion that actually goes beyond what a normal human hand can reach. Because of that symmetry, it can grab objects cleanly and handle around 33 common human-style grip positions without knocking things over. Attaching it to a robotic arm is surprisingly simple. A motor-driven screw and a set of strong neodymium magnets hold it in place. But when it's time to work independently, the hand detaches itself and the fingers take over a completely new role. They become legs. Using coordinated push and pull movements, the fingers walk across surfaces while keeping the palm stable and moving forward. To make that movement smooth, the researchers trained it using genetic algorithms, along with something called central pattern generators, which basically help create natural, rhythmic motion. The result is kind of wild to watch. The hand can crawl across a tabletop at a decent speed, travel distances a robotic arm normally couldn't reach, go to a target, pick up a cube or block, and sometimes even collect extra items before returning to its original position. What really separates this from other robotic hands is that it doesn't copy human anatomy. A normal robotic gripper usually imitates a human hand. 1 thumb, 4 fingers, all on one side. That works fine in controlled spaces, but in cluttered environments or tight areas, it struggles. This circular design flips the idea completely. The same fingers that grab objects also help the robot move, stabilize itself, and reposition items. One moment it's holding something steady, the next it's literally walking to the next task. In simple terms, this robot isn't just a hand anymore. It's a tiny worker that can leave its workstation, navigate its surroundings, finish the job, and come right back, all on its own. And honestly, this could change how future robots operate in factories, homes, or even disaster zones, where reaching something is just as important as grabbing it.